How to add an image gallery in Wix Studio. To do that, click on this plus icon right here and select Add Elements option. Now from in there, it will open up your elements. Now you can see it right here. So what we can do is we can click onto the search icon and then search in here for gallery. Now just head over and then you can choose from gallery or pro galleries from in there. You can also choose from grid product gallery or slider product gallery. So just head over and then go to that gallery option and then you can head over and then choose a particular template that you can add. Now, as you can see, the image gallery has now been added. Now, if you want to customize it, you can head over and then just click on the particular gallery. And then you can choose which images will be added. Just click onto this Manage Media option. And then it will open your Wix Pro gallery from in there. And you can choose which images shall be added based on the number that's been added right here. So once we're done, click on this Done option. So that's how you add an image gallery in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.